up, Social Cam? We're here at the Rock, at the Planet Rock, at the youth building. We are getting ready for Rick Pino, Unchapel, and myself and the team. We're gonna do our thing. We're at sound check. We just finished. We're wrapping up. But pray for us. I'm excited. I gotta get ready to go change. Guys, say hi there. Guys, say hi. That's the singer. Yo, they're good. Say hi one more time. And then that's Ashley. Y'all know Ashley. And then we got, let me go show y'all Jordan. We're good, we're done. Let me show you who's playing. We got Brandon right here. Say what's up. Hey. He on the keys right there. Hold on, I got some more people for y'all. Here's Brian. They're just playing around. Say what's up, Brian. What's up? You doing this thing all day? Give us a little something, Brian. There you go. And then we got our very own Jordan Anthony Smith on the bass. Okay, so we're done. We're about to go do our thing and get dressed, get ready, prepare our hearts and mind. We can't wait to see you guys tonight. It's at The Rock. I forgot what the address is. I think it's 640 Kinsville Road, Virginia Beach, Virginia. We're in the youth building. We will see you. Starts at 5 o'clock. All right, see you. Bye, guys.